Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am setting up in my B6 Stalogy for the week of Monday the 13th through Sunday the 19th, I believe. Yes, Sunday the 19th. I wanted to show you all the little my name script that I put on here with my crickets. So cute and simple. So yes, I added that on. Let me go ahead and start. Let me show you the kit that I'm going to use. And I've really been liking her kits and they're really convenient. I used one of her kits for this week, so we're going to use another one of her kits, the paper crown planner. So these are the full boxes. You get 2 more full boxes, some checklists Monday through Sunday, icons. I love these little drawn icons as well. You get your to-do today, this week, habits, habit trackers, bill due. This is super cute to me, the little bow notepad or whatever. Some boxes, some squares, some scripts here, meal plan, laundry day, work, plan next week, doctor's appointment. I saw these little flat lays and I thought they were really cute. That makes cleaning more fun. And then we have a weekend script. I'm going to try to pull that in as well. And then here is the deco. You get some more checklists, some little things, and appointment labels or appointment boxes. And I really like these boxes here with the little washi scripts on it, as well as the bow clip. Get some more washi here. To do, goals, important. Here is the washi that came with the kit, and I'll probably just use it on the this week page. Here is the Monday through Sunday. I really love the brush stroke. And then we have some functional boxes. So that is my kit for this week. I'm undecided on cardstock right now or vellum. Let me see what I have. I always have vellum and cardstock somewhere. So maybe something from there. So I opened this up and I love the colors of this, so I'm gonna see if it matches the full boxes. I think that looks really cute. Let me show you. I think that looks really cute. If I can't find anything else, I'm probably gonna use that one. Let me look through the rest of this one. Ooh, I like that one too. I really like that one. That one could be a match. All right, let's see what else we have. We have the pink rustic farmhouse. Oh my gosh, there's so many good choices. I don't know. Which one do I want to use? They all look really good. Let me see. I did use music notes before, so I can use this one, I think. They all look so good. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this down to size and I'll be back. Alright, so I have the cardstock cut down to size. And I think I'm going to use a piece of vellum. Isn't that really cute? It has like words on it. So cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. Ooh, yay! I really like that. That's super pretty. Super pretty, super pink, super girly. So I really like this. This is really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our this week page. I'll probably just look through my kit first and see what I have. I'm really not talking much in this plan with me, but I did want to ask you all how you all were doing and how did your week go last week. Just let me know down in the comments. I really would like to read those. So yes, I'm just laying down my meal plan sticker. I didn't see a dinner one on here, so that's what I'm gonna do next. Oh wait, I do have a dinner's one, but I think I like this better. Meal plan. Is meal plan not dinners? I don't know. I'm probably gonna use the meal plan one. So this is the this week page. It looks really good. I really like to keep things pretty much the same or simple. The only thing I did add was a doctor's appointment, and I'm just gonna write out when and where the appointment is, but I'm not gonna put it on the day, you know, the day of, if you can understand what I'm saying. I don't want to put that on my daily page because it's already on my this week page. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn to Monday, and I need to think about what washi sheet I want to use. Hopefully I have something that I can use. All right, so I'm gonna figure out my washi sheet and then I'll come back. So I think I'm gonna attempt to use this light pink foil at the top and the bottom. So this is taking a little bit longer than I expected, so I'm gonna finish the rest of the bottom and top off camera, and then I'll come back. All right, so we're done with that. I actually had fun doing the glitter. If you don't like glitter or foil, I don't recommend it, but I had tons of fun. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my date covers. I am gonna use the ones from the kit, and then I'm gonna use numbers from Nicole Alexia Design. Because it's so pretty and pink, and I love the writing on it. So yes, I still have a lot of glitter everywhere, but hopefully I can vacuum it all up. Weekend. So here is my this week page. I have my tracker, my dinners, noting a doctor's appointment, and my YouTube and Insta post for the week. Here is Monday, and I did use some overlays for these overlays are from Simply Watercolor Co. And the ones that look like this are from Sadie Stickers. I just added the deco from the kit. Turned out really good. It was really fun to do the glitter washi or foil washi at the bottom. So it is currently, it's currently 4:31 in the morning. So I'm all finished and I'm gonna try to get some rest. Hopefully I can fall asleep. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give me a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a free way that you can help me out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.